everyone. Hi, everybody. Hello, everybody. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Let's see. Just waiting over here. Hi, everybody. Coming in, coming in, coming in, coming in. Say hello when you come on. Tell me how your day has been. Make sure my phone is off. Yeah, that's what I thought was going to be on. Hi, everyone. Happy Friday. Coming in, coming in, coming in, coming in. This is Attorney Abisala Ole Samuel, immigration lawyer based in Alabama, representing immigration clients in all 50 states. Let's talk immigration. When you come on, say hello. Let me know you're here. Hi, Facebook and YouTube family. What's going on? Hello. Hello. Shalafia lewa. Thank you for stopping by. Let's talk immigration. What's going on in the immigration world and what topic do we want to talk about today? Once you come on, say hello. I can see, like I already said, I can see the number of people coming on, but I cannot see who it is. Okay, I think this is low. Okay, I think this is better. All right. I cannot see who it is, so that helps if you say hello. So, and I appreciate you stopping by and keeping me company when I talk about immigration stuff. I hope you guys don't get bored because this is what I do for a living. So I talk about immigration stuff in my sleep. Well, anyway, this is Attorney Episola Olaleye. Baba Samuel, immigration attorney based in Alabama. If you have an immigration case that my firm handles that case time, we can and do represent immigration clients regardless of the state you live in. See that on the screen? We represent immigration clients in all states. So how has your Friday been? Put it in the comment section. Let me know. If you haven't followed us or you're not following us on Instagram yet, please do so. It's Olale Immigration. TikTok, YouTube, I actually do broadcasts on YouTube but simultaneously for the most part with Facebook. So please do so and share this video. That would be very much appreciated. And also we're on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn. I'm hardly there, to be honest with you. But yeah. So let's talk. What do you guys have planned for the weekend? Let me know what your plan for the weekend is. While you type that in the comment section, I want to talk this evening real quick because usually come on Tuesdays and Thursdays, but yesterday was one of those days. I had criminal cases trial in the morning, and then later in the afternoon was back-to-back on stations and getting some packages out for immigration clients. So wanted to come up today and talk about H-1B visa and simultaneous EB petition. Let's see, proofreading, making sure I have my glasses on today, so I should be able to see. But I wanted to come on, talk about that H-1B visa, and that's come up a whole lot in the past 2 weeks with consultations. And I wanted to, and if, like I always say, if somebody has a question on the topic, I know somebody else has the same question. So I want to talk about that. Can you have an H-1B visa status and also have an employment? So EB means employment based. So can you have an H-1B visa status and as well as have an employment-based petition of which you are the beneficiary or you're both the beneficiary and the petitioner? Is that possible? Short answer, yes. And here's why. So H-1B, and if you don't know, I do a lot of H-1B visa petitions. I love to do H-1B visa petitions. I just love it. I just love it. It's very straightforward for me, and I enjoy it really well. So H-1B visa or visa status, H-1B petition is, or H-1B visa is a work visa for foreign workers, meaning you're a foreigner, you're not a national or citizen or legal permanent resident of the United States, but it's a work visa filed by the U.S. employer that allows you to work temporarily in the United States for a set period of time. The most you can do at a time that an employer can file for you is 3 years. after which they can extend it for another 3 years. 6 years is usually the maximum, but there are exceptions to the maximum, and I've talked about that in a separate video. So the question then is, if you are on an H-1B visa and you have the same employer or another employee who wants to file an employment-based green card petition on your behalf, can you still have that done? Or do you have to be done, do you have to wait until your H-1B visa expires? Or what will be the consequence? Say, for instance, it's denied. Doesn't mean that cancels out your H-1B visa status. So first question, can you have that simultaneously? Can you have an employer file an employment-based petition for you simultaneously, meaning at the same time while you are in H-1B status? Yes. Good thing about H-1B visa is this. The H-1B visa is a dual intent visa. What that basically means is immigration, unlike an F visa with student visa or a B visa or an M visa that is non-immigrant as well as H-1B. What sets the H-1B visa apart is the fact that it is a dual intent. So that means that even though you cannot have an intention to immigrate on an F student visa, it is legal to actually have that intention at the port of entry or when you're in the country to immigrate, even though an H-1B is a non-immigrant visa, there's no path to it becoming a green card because it expires. But you can also have the intent to immigrate, and if that does not work out, it does not cancel out your H-1B visa or have any kind of penalties because you were seeking permanent residency. That's one thing about H-1B. So yes, you can have the employment-based petition at the same time. In addition to that, it can be filed while, let's for example, you get a U.S. employer who files an H-1B petition on your behalf. You start September 10, 2021. If the same employer or a different employer decides to file an employment-based petition, or if you qualify for a national interest self-waiver, which is a self-petition employment-based petition, if you decide to do that a week after you start your H-1B status, you can. Legally, you're allowed to do that, so you can have this simultaneously. You don't have to be, and that's another misconception. A lot of people think, oh, I have to be done with the first 3 years of an H-1B before I can qualify for that. No, you do not. You can actually have that simultaneously with the H-1B visa as well. So that's number 2. Number 3, so okay, we talked about H-1B, meaning it's a dual intent visa. You can have that simultaneously while you're on the H-1B. You don't have to wait till the end. And number 3, even if the employment-based petition does not pan out, you're not going to be in violation of your H-1B temporary non-immigrant visa status, because it is a dual intent visa that is the U.S. government allows you to be able to have both a temporary intent to be in the United States on the H-1B, as well as pursue a permanent option of having the employment-based petition filed on your behalf where you are the beneficiary. So that's one of the reasons why I love the H-1B visa. I love it. Love. Yeah. So, and another thing about that is H-1B, there are 2 types. You have the cap exempt and cap subject. Cap subject is the lottery system we have each year, where you can only register and then you pick the USCIS makes a selection. If your registration is selected, then you would be able to file. Your employer will be able to file on your behalf. If it's not, you got to wait another whole year. The cap exempt, on the other hand, the employer can file at any time during the year. I mainly represent the cap exempt employers, meaning universities, colleges, to that effect. So it is possible. Do not be dissuaded. Yes, it is very, very much possible to have both the H-1B visa status, as well as having an employment-based petition of which you are the beneficiary of that petition. So that's about it. I wanted to come on and talk about that because I had one of the consultations was the last one I had today, and I hope that helps and gives you that information you need. But as always, if you are in doubt, you want something more specific to your case, then the best thing you want to do is to consult with an immigration attorney. It doesn't have to be me, like I always say, but increase your chances in being informed and knowing more about your case so you can make a better decision on your case moving forward. So thanks to all those who jumped on real quick. I appreciate you guys. Once again, if you need to contact my office regarding any immigration case, as long as we handle those case types, AOS@allalawfirm.com, 334-341-4475. Until next time, everybody. And thanks to all those who jumped on once again. Once again, please subscribe to YouTube. Share this video, like our page, follow us on Instagram and TikTok as well. All right, people. All right. Bye, everybody. Have a good weekend. Everybody. Bye.